Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 5. Exercise 6C, page number 158. Write down the equation of the straight line which passes through the origin and with gradient 2. Now we have to find the equation of the straight line which passes through the origin and gradient is 2. So equation of straight line is mx plus c. If it is passes through origin, then its intercept c is equal to 0 and slope is given m is equal to 2. Now we will put these values here in the equation 1, that is equation 1. Two x plus c is equal c is 0. So equation of straight line is y is equal to 2x. Now question number 6 from next page, page number 159. In each of the following diagram, find the gradient and y-intercept of the line where possible. State the equation of the each line. So according to this line is horizontal line and the gradient is 0, because if the line is parallel to x-axis, then the gradient of the line is always 0. Okay, now here according to this line, here it is mentioned it's 1 and this is the line that is parallel to x-axis, so x and y. According to this is c is equal to 1, means intercept is equal to 1 due to this line, because this line is parallel to x-axis, so that's why its gradient is 0. So the equation of straight line is, what will be the equation of straight line? Y is equal to mx plus c. M is 0 here because line is parallel to x-axis. So m is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. This is the reason of m is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 plus 1 and c is equal to y is equal, sorry, not c is equal to, it's y. It's y is equal to 1. Okay, now it's b part. Its b part is, this is the line, and now this line is parallel to y-axis. Okay, now this point is 1.5. Now the gradient, because this line is parallel to y-axis, this one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. So x is 1.5. Now line is parallel. You can use this sign also, parallel for. Now line is parallel to y-axis. So gradient or the m. So m is undefined. Now we will write only x is equal to 1.5. So the equation of line is 1.5. Okay, equation is at 1.5. I have to write it completely here. So equation of line is x is equal to 1.5. Yes, now C part. C part is, these are the two x's. Okay. Now this line is passing through, this one is -1 and 1. Okay, now it is 0. Okay, if this is -1 and 1, -1 is for y. So x is 0 and y is -1. Now here uh, x is 1 and y is 0, means these are 2 points. Yes, got it? How I wrote the points? Yes, Rumisa and Weil. This is -1 and 1 is mentioned. So it's mean this is -1 for y and this is 1 for x-axis. Okay, this line cut at y-axis at -1 and x-axis at 1. Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then the slope of this line is m is equal to y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Yes, Rumisa, got this point? How I wrote this point?
Miss, could you explain it again?
This line cut at here at y-axis, it cut at -1, and at x-axis it cut at 1. So it intersect at -1. So here the point x is 0 and y is -1. Okay, now here it is x is 1 because this is at x. Okay, x is 1 and y is 0. Got it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, then according to this we will put these points here. Okay, now put these values here in the slope formula, gradient formula, that is 0 minus -1 over 1 minus 0. So it will be 1 over 1, that is 1. So the slope is 1, right? Then C is equal to -1. This is the C. This is C. This one is C. Okay, C is the distance from the line from x-axis y-axis. So C is equal to -1. So C is equal to -1. Okay, now we will put these values here in the form in the equation of the line mx plus See, y is equal to m is 1 and c is minus 1. So the equation is x minus 1. Yes, hope you understand. Yes, can I move next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, while.
Miss, can you repeat the point? C is the distance. What?
C is the point that is from x-axis to the y-axis. This one. So this is the C. This is C is minus 1. Okay, that point where the line intersect at y-axis. Got it? So C is that
Yes.
point. So y-intercept mean this we called it as y-intercept. Y-intercept. Intercept is C. Okay, so C is equal to minus 1. Okay, now D part is, now we have a line. Okay, then the line here it is 2 and here it is 1. So this is y-axis, and this one is x-axis. Now it is, now can you tell me what is the C value here? What is C value? This line cut at y-axis at point 1. Okay, so the distance from the origin to that point is 1. So C is that point. So C value is, what is C
One.
value? 1. Yes, C value is 1. Okay, now we have to find the point, sorry, slope, the gradient. Now we will write these points.
Miss,
Yes,
it is cutting at 2 also.
but it is x-axis, not y-axis. If the line cut at y-axis, we will take that is the C y-intercept. Okay? Always if the line cut at y-axis at any point, that is y-intercept, that is C. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now the points are, what are the points? At x-axis it is 2 and y is, what is y value? Here at this point, what is y value? Y is 0, right? And here x is 0 and y is 1. So these are 2 points. Now we have to write the slope. Yes. Consider any number. These consider at x1, y1, and these consider as x2, y. Okay. Then y2 is 0 minus 1 and x2 is 2 minus 0. Then the slope of this is minus 1 over 2. Now we have to write the equation of straight line. Mx plus c. What is m? M value is, yes, what is m?
-1/2.
Okay, and what is c?
1.
C is 1. Yes. Okay, now question number 7.
Miss, can you 1 minute go up? Okay, done, miss.
I don't have coins. Take only one. No. Okay, now question number 7 is the diagram shows ABC triangle with verses A, B, and C. Okay. So wait, I will copy and paste this diagram here from the book. No. Okay, this is question number 7. Okay, question number 7 is the diagram shows A, B, C with verses 1, 1 and B, 1, 3 and C is 5, 5. So first we will write all the verses. A is 1 and 1, okay. B is 1 and 3 and C is 5 and 5. So according to this, find the area of the triangle. So how to find the area of the triangle? We did in I think 6A. Yes. What is the area of the triangle? Formula. Area of triangle ABC. Yes, why? Can you tell me what is the formula of area of triangle? Yes, why?
Yes.
Can you tell me the formula of area of triangle? How to find the area of triangle?
One over two base multiplied by height.
Okay. Okay. What is the base here? Base is how many units? We will consider this is the base. This is the base. And this one is the height.
Two.
Yes, base is 2 and height is how many units of height? From the base, how many units up to the C point? How many blocks inside from A to C?
Four.
Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is 4. So the area is 4 unit square, right? Now we have to find the gradient of the line passing through B and C. So the line passing through B and C is, which is that line? So the point B are 1 and 3 and point C are 5 and 5. So we have to find the gradient of this point, this line BC. Gradient of BC. Take these 2 points, this point and this point. So it will be y2 minus y1, y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 5 and I'm taking this is second point and B is first point. So y1 is 3 and then x2 is 5 and x1 is 1. So it will be 2 over 4 and it will be 1 over 2, right? So this is first point I am taking and this one is the second point, means x2, y2. Okay, this is the slope of the gradient line. This is the gradient of the line BC. Now, third part is find the equation of the line passing through A and C. So we have to find now the equation of the line that passing through from A and C. So these are the points we will take first. Okay. Find the slope of these 2 points A and C. So first we will find, this is the second part we solved. This is the first part we solved. And here the third part is first slope of or M of line A and C. So this I am taking x1, y1, x1, y1. This I am taking x2, y2. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 5 minus 1 over 5 minus 1. That is 4 over 4. That is 1. Okay, so the slope is 1. Now, what is C? How to find C? Here C is not mentioned because this line is not cutting the x-axis, sorry, y-axis. So we will find the slope by putting at least one point in the equation of the line. So y is equal to mx plus c. This is equation of a straight line. Since we will write a point 1 and 2, 1, 1 passing through the line AC, So the slope is, we will find the slope by putting these value 1 and 1 in the equation of this equation of line. So y is 1, slope is 1, x is 1, and c. So 1 minus 1 is equal to c. So c will be, what is the c value? C will be 0. 1 minus 1, because I have shifted this 1 to other side. So it will be 1 minus 1. So C is equal to 0. Got it? Now we will put the value of M and C in Y is equal to mx plus C. So M is 1, x plus 0. Equation of the line is y is equal to x. Yes, got it? Any confusion or any question?
Yes, got it.
Got it. It's mean if the line doesn't cut the x-axis, y-axis, then it's mean we have to find the intercept by putting at least one point in equation of line. So we can get easily intercept C value and M value by the 2 points, and then put these 2 M and C value in equation of line. So we can get the equation of line. Okay. Now it's enough for today. Question number 8, 9.